Now, we all know that creating awesome content is the best way to get people to visit our site and to stick around. But have you ever wondered how well your freebies, like your ebooks, checklists, or product files, are actually performing? It's super annoying to put in all that effort and then not know if anyone is even downloading and using your stuff. What if I told you there's a way that you can gain clarity into the performance of your downloadable content? Monster Insights has a powerful file download tracking feature that's going to take the guesswork out of understanding which files are really resonating with your audience, and with just a few clicks, you can unlock valuable insights that's going to help you optimize your content strategy and better serve your visitors. Before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll never miss a Monster Insights video. Now, to really understand the impact of your downloadable resources, you need to track your downloads, and that way you can see which specific files that visitors are downloading the most, and that's going to allow you to identify your most popular content. If you don't do that, you're going to be missing out on crucial data that could help you create more of the resources that your audience loves, and it's going to keep them coming back for more. Monster Insights makes it incredibly easy to enable file download tracking, and you can see the report right on your WordPress dashboard. To do that, you'll need the Monster Insights Plus or Pro plan. Now, if you're using the Monster Insights Lite version, well, you'll have to view that report in your Google Analytics account. But with Monster Insights, you'll be automatically detecting and recording every time a visitor downloads a file from your website, whether it's a PDF, a zip file, a document, or any other type of file. This lets you quickly identify the most popular downloadable resources and double down on creating similar content. For an example, you might notice that a particular ebook or checklist is generating a ton of downloads. Now, armed with that insight, you can create even more resources on that topic to keep your audience engaged and interested. Plus, Monster Insights Pro's file download tracking integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like WooCommerce and Easy Digital Downloads. That way, you can get a really comprehensive view of your download performance, whether you're offering free resources or paid digital products. Monster Insights makes it easy to keep tabs on downloads of common file types like PDFs, documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and zip files on your WordPress site. But even if you offer less common file formats, well, you can still track them by adding their extension in the plugin settings. To do that, just head over to your WordPress dashboard and then click on Insights, and then Settings. And finally, engagement. Now scroll down to the file downloads and add the extra file extension that you want to track, like MP4s, for example. Now you can check out your download reports right within WordPress to see which files are getting the most love from your visitors. Now to do that, just go to Reports and then to the Publishers tab, and then scroll down a bit and you're going to see the Downloads section. Now you'll see which files are getting the most downloads along with how many clicks each one's racking up. Now you can tweak your content creation strategy to dish out more of what your readers are really wanting. It's a great way to figure out what content is resonating with your audience. Now you know how to unlock valuable insights into your downloadable content performance with Monster Insights file downloading tracking feature. Now, if you found this video to be helpful, go ahead and smash that like button and hit subscribe for more tips on understanding your WordPress website's analytics. Up next, you'll definitely want to check out this video where I show you how to easily track file downloads in GA4. I'll see you there.